So well, it's good then, because yesterday was like very hot. Rain. Hujan, guys. We don't have an umbrella. Maybe just bring your truck. Yeah, but we lost it. Remember when we tried to put it in your trunk? Kita ada payung, cuman aku nggak tahu lupa buangnya di mana, guys. Bawa mobil aja dia kan. Raincoat? Oh yeah. Or just bring your truck, babe. Your key's in here. Here, in a key. It's not your key.
I don't know how much that's gonna help.
Oh, you don't want to bring a truck? I don't know. Up to you.
I love you, baby.
You're putting your truck?
Yeah. Love you.
Love.
Please don't say YouTube. Please don't say YouTube.
Bye bye.
Do you want to watch a movie with us? Who's it? Happy. Do you want to sit down? Who's happy? What is sit down so we can watch a movie? What's this, Dad? What's a unicorn? Yeah. Do you want to watch a movie? Do you want to watch? Tell me what you want to watch, okay? Do you want to watch this movie?
Okay, guys.
Do you want to watch this movie? Or do you want to watch this movie? This movie? Tell me when to stop, okay?
Stop.
Tell me when to stop, John, okay?
Oh, you.
Okay. Well, yeah. Get down and do this.
Say great job, Taylor. Yeah. Great job, Taylor.
Good job. Okay. Okay. Look how big this one is. Look at him now.
John's breakfast. Yeah. Let's go, John.
John's breakfast. Let's go eat it, John.
Yeah. I met her a lot.
Oh yeah.
Like at Koda's house. And she came over here too when we were in a boathouse. Remember?
Oh yeah. That bacon was really good.
Nice. You liked it crispy? It's not too crispy, right? Nice.
It's really good.
See, that's... Are you a cat now?
Let me show you what I know. Thing.
Oh, it's just the stuff in this mug. It's like put the nook. Don't step on the floor, Taylor. Usually just put the nook and she'll be fine. Oh, she's quiet now.
Okay.
You like bacon, Joe? Yeah. Go eat it. Eat your bacon.
I think I add too much syrup.
Do you like it or you don't like syrup?